Hello. In this lesson we will explain how to set up the sales tax for your company database. Sales tax setup in ManageMore can be broken down into several areas: tax types, tax codes and rates, and tax application. We will explain each of these areas now. First, to define the tax types, let's click on Setup, Application, Company, and Sales Tax. Then click on Tax 1 Identification field to enter the tax name. Note that most businesses set up just one tax type, such as a combined state and local sales tax. But you may have up to 8 tax types, such as a separate state, county, city, or another special tax. When finished, click the Save button. Click OK to confirm the message. The next area in which to set up taxes is codes and rates. A tax code is used to set up the rates for a particular jurisdiction. To set up tax codes, select Lists, Transaction Related, and Tax Codes. Different geographic areas or certain customers may require different tax codes and rates. Click Insert to add a new tax code. Enter a unique tax code. Effective date. Enter a description and the tax region. To set the rates for this tax code, click on the Tax Definitions tab. Select the tax basis for each tax to be used. Tax can be based on a percentage, flat rate, or product weight. And enter the tax rate as a whole number. Click Save when finished. Note that ManageMore by default provides an exempt tax code for customers who will not be charged taxes. When finished, click on Exit. The areas that affect the application of taxes are locations, customers, and items. Each location must have a default tax code set for transactions created in that location. Let's set our location tax code now. When adding or editing a location, select the default tax code for that location. This will determine the default tax rates to be used for that location. The next area that affects the applications of taxes is customers. To override the tax rates charged to a customer, navigate to the customer list. Double-click the customer to be edited, and assign a specific tax code for that customer. This is primarily used to set customers to a tax-exempt status. The final area that affects the application of taxes is inventory items. This is where you choose whether an item is taxable or not. To apply taxes to items, navigate to the SuperTrack inventory list. Select an item to determine the taxes that will apply when this item is invoiced. These settings are found on the Taxes tab. Select any tax types that may apply to this item. If an item or service is tax exempt, leave all boxes unchecked. Now, the proper taxing will occur when a sale is made. This completes the sales tax setup lesson. Congratulations!